So you said fire element and water element. So tell me, like, what would these be? Because again, for someone who's a layman, like, what is a fire element in a house? What is a water element in a house?
So again, as 5 elements. So if we talk about the directions, towards the northeast direction, like अगर हम अपने घर को 4 parts में divide करते हैं, so north, south, east and west. So the from north to east, that zone is called the northeast, which is called as water element zone. So that is said to be all water related activities. It should be low.
Kitchens,
it should be open.
bathrooms.
Not the kitchens and bathrooms.
Right.
Yes, of course not. But yes, water related activities. Then we have further division हो गया कि वहाँ पे पानी up. Now again, water, bathroom is a water element, but still we don't prefer a toilet in that zone. But yes, a washroom or a bathroom, a bathing space or a washing space can be there. So this is how we again go into a deeper things. Then fire element, yes, kitchen again is a major, because kitchen में fire element is the basic thing, because
Right.
वहीं से आप अग्नि से ही energy लेते हो और हम खाना वहाँ बनता है. खाना is our energy for our body. So energy का स्रोत is from fire. Fire is also energy. So this is how. Then we have southwest. Southwest is the zone for earth element. So the earth element is basically stability, our base. So that's how bedrooms and all are designed towards southwest, and that should be heavy, higher. That's how. Then northwest is the air element,
Right.
the movement of things and all. So that is the air zone.
Got it.
And this ब्रह्मस्थान is the central area, which is space जो अगर आपने बहुत सारे सुना होगा कि बचपन से और पुराने घरों की भी हम बात करते हैं तो ब्रह्मस्थान कहते हैं सेंटर स्पेस खुला होना चाहिए. It should be open to sky.
Right.
So that's how ब्रह्मस्थान should be.